GED Math. Practice Test 2026 Question 1 of 10. Find the mean of 4, 7, 9, 12, 18. Option A, 8, Option B, 9, Option C, 10. Option D, 12. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, 10. Mean equals sum slash count equals open parenthesis 4 plus 7 plus 9 plus 12 plus 18 close parenthesis divided by 5 is equal to 50 slash 5 is equal to 10. Question 2 of 10. Find the median of 3, 7, 2, 9, 5. Option A, 5, Option B, 7, Option C, 4, Option D, 6. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 5. First, order the values, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, the median is the middle value equals 5. Question 3 of 10. Find the mode of 4, 7, 4, 9, 7, 4, 3. Option A, 4, Option B, 7, Option C, 3, Option D, 9, take a moment. The correct answer is A, 4, the mode is the value that appears most often. 4 appears 3 times, 7 appears 2 times, others appear once. Mode equals 4. Question 4 of 10. A bag contains 3 red, 5 blue, and 2 green marbles. What is the probability of drawing a blue marble? Option A, January 5th. Option B, January 2nd. Option C, 5 out of 10. Option D, 3 out of 10. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 1/2. Total marbles equals 3 plus 5 plus 2 is equal to 10. Probability of blue equals 5/10 equals 1/2 equals 0.5 or 50%. Question 5 of 10. What is the range of the data set, 15, 22, 8, 31, 19? Option A, 13. Option B, 14. Option C, 23. Option D, 16. Take a moment. The correct answer is C, 23. Range equals maximum, minimum equals 31, 8 is equal to 23. Question 6 of 10. A number cube, die, is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a number greater than 4? Option A, January 6th. Option B, February 6th. Option C, March 6th. Option D, April 6th. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 2 out of 6. Numbers greater than 4 on a standard die, 5 and 6 is equal to 2 outcomes out of 6 possible. Probability equals 2/6 equals 1/3. Question 7 of 10. A student scored 72, 85, 90, 68, and 95 on 5 tests. What is the mean score? Option A, 80. Option B, 82. Option C, 84. Option D, 86. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, 82. Sum equals 72 plus 85 plus 90 plus 68 plus 95 is equal to 410. Mean equals 410 slash 5 is equal to 82. Question 8 of 10. A coin is flipped twice. What is the probability of getting heads both times? Option A, January 4th. Option B, January 2nd. Option C, March 4th. Option D, February 3rd. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 1/4. Each flip is independent. P, heads, equals 1/2. P, heads and heads, is equal to 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4 equals 25%. Question 9 of 10. In a class of 30 students, 18 passed the exam. What percentage failed? Option A, 40%. Option B, 50%. Option C, 60%. Option D, 70%. Take a moment. The correct answer is A, 40%. Students who failed equals 30, 18 is equal to 12. Percentage failed is equal to 12/30 times 100 equals 40%. Question 10 of 10. The median of a dataset is 45. 3 new values, 90, 90, 90, are added to the dataset. The median will most likely: Option A, stay the same. Option B, increase. Option C, decrease. Option D, become 90. Take a moment. The correct answer is B, increase. Adding 3 values of 90, which are above the current median of 45, shifts the middle of the dataset upward. The median will increase. You answered 0 out of 5 correctly. Want more? Practice. Subscribe for daily exam prep.